Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 3033R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H165 quick attach front end loader. Tractor has just under 300 hours on it. Very, very clean tractor. Has 33 horsepower. And again, it does have the H165 quick attach loader. Has the gear transmission with the powered reverser. Tires are in really nice shape. 3-point hitch, drawbar, top link, everything's here. It does have the 540 PTO. And again, the gear transmission, 4 gears here, 3 ranges here. These all need to be clutched to be shifted. And then your reverser up here for forward and reverse does not need to be clutched. You certainly can clutch if you want to, but it does not have to be clutched to go from forward to reverse and vice versa. This is the Premium R series, so it's got the tilt steering wheel, it's got the nice suspension seat on it, all the controls directly here to the right, loader control also right there within easy reach. So very, very nice configuration. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.